Not long ago, you were told this is not allowed. This is illegal. This is not beautiful. And now they tell you this could get you in jail. This is nothing but what you see. What do you see? What do you see? Look at me. What do you see? Do you see dance? Love everlasting? Do you feel see when you look? That is you. That feeling, the one you're feeling, it's all you. Own it. Love it. They have their own agenda. Don't play with it. Be sexy. Toi.